running stock injectors and just a tune, we put a 6.7 on the dyno and get before and after numbers with our Turbonator VGT Turbo.
I had the stock VGT from Wholeset on here, so currently swapped out with a DPS T4 foot manifold, high flow manifold, a DPS S4 67.7 with their custom Turbonator setup on it.
By simply adding the S467 T4 Turbonator VGT and our 3rd gen swap kit, Spencer Schulte with Darkside Diesel was able to get an increase of horsepower going from 489 to 585. That's a 19.6% increase in horsepower. The Turbonator is a performance-based VGT that comes in S300 and S400, T3, T4, and T6 flange sizes. So the purple lines represent the stock truck, stock turbo, stock injectors with just a tune, and the red and green lines represent the difference with just adding the Turbonator VGT Turbo in the 3rd gen swap kit. So the stock manifold on the 6.7 Cummins has that oddball T4i flange size, which doesn't match up to an S300 or S400. So in order to get an S300 or S400, you have to order the 3rd gen swap kit, which is essentially a manifold, turbo, and some other parts.
The spool up on this 400 series frame turbocharger is almost identical to the factory VGT. It is insanely impressive that it can light immediately. The lag is like a non-issue, it's non-existent compared to a non-VGT S400 frame or even a 300 frame that I've seen on some 5.9s.
Spencer's reporting with that big S467.7 with the Turbonator, it's spooling similar to stock. That is huge. If you have an S300 or S400 and want a Turbonator VGT, give us a call. We'll make it spool faster.